Flamingos are not born pink. They are actually born with gray feathers. They only turn that famous bright pink color because of the massive amount of brine shrimp and blue-green algae they eat. These foods contain natural dyes called carotenoids that accumulate in their fats and feathers over time. If a flamingo stops eating this specific diet, it will eventually lose its color and turn back to white or gray. If you wish you could change your skin color just by changing your favorite snacks, hit that like button and subscribe for more colorful facts.